Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We're here again, Sunday morning at the Doncaster Rovers car boot. It is cold, there's no queue again, but we did really well last week, so you never know what we might find. Let's go find some bargains. How much you got on these boots, mate? How much you got on them?
You put a price on these boots, Matt?
Janet. What's that? 15. Swear down, this way. What? There's no cold. Look at me.
We do 6 on these, mate.
I'll do 8 on them, how's that?
Yeah, go on. Yeah. Find me wallet.
Cheap they were, weren't they?
Yeah, nice enough. Thank you. How much have you got on your Paw Patrol bits?
They're from mine. I want £3 each.
Alright, no worries. How much is your karaoke thing?
I've got £10 on it to start with, buddy. It's a proper JoJo one and it comes with a JoJo disc.
No worries.
It was about 80 quid that, Bob.
Alright, cheers. Cheers, pal. I'm not seeing one of these in maybe ever. They're alright. They're different as well.
Tata na żyzno daje. O, wasz nowy godzin tydzień. Или вчера был.
Слушай, такие столы надо тебе два. Десятка заказов.
Это что? Я тут не имею денег.
Не, если не, как хочешь.
Я денег не имею.
Hey mate,
Пока.
what can you do on these 3 here? I've already got these from somewhere else.
No, bro, this one was 20 pounds.
Alright, what about these two then?
This 8 pound, this 2 pound. 20 pound for all. No, 20. This
I'll leave them, they're too much
This
for
now.
me. They're a bit
This-
used them though. We do,
this 8 pound, this 2 pound.
we do 8 for both. They've got some wear on back of them, look.
No, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
This one 15.
Nah, it's too much for
But
me.
it's new.
I know it is, but
It's
they're
now
not.
70 pound.
They're not.
cost the shoe.
They're not proper studs. They're like indoor.
That's sorry, bro. Now this 8 pound, this 2 pound.
Yeah, we do
It's
8.
Adidas. It's Nike now.
Yeah.
10 pound. Sorry.
10.
No.
What about 9?
Good night.
Cheers.
50p for slippers.
How much is that one?
Have you been in all court?
Do you know if it's working?
Yeah, definitely it's working. Yeah, I think it's got all the cables in, but feel free to
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
How much is that keyboard thing down there as well?
The keyboard,
Yeah.
£4 for keyboard.
Alright, were you 4 on that?
Yeah, of course, yeah, 8 quid for both.
I'll just set this out cheap
Oh,
for
sorry,
now.
yeah, that's fine.
What is that?
Speak Russian. You understand the Russian, but you're not speaking it. Yeah.
I understand.
Is that wood?
How much you on that, mate?
You need to learn. You know when you see that piece there? Oh my God! That's why you need to learn it.
How much you on your jacket?
Chana, how's that?
Fiver?
See the boots?
It's a bit small. I bought the boots, yeah.
8 quid. Same. That's cheap. Quite nice, that.
You do 6?
I'll go 7.
Yeah, go on. We get some out of that.
Wow.
But it's darling, so it's. Oh, I broke it. Cool.
Yeah, I'll walk.
How much you got on all these backpacks, mate?
How many is there?
5, I think.
Let's have a look what there is.
They're just, well, there's some small little ones and then one red
Yeah,
one.
some camelbacks though, in there, which is some
Yeah.
camelback. £5 on that one. Head, £1 on that one, or 6.
Let's have
Big
a
one that. 11. Camelback again. 16. That's Camelback as well. I'll do 20 quid for everything there. A pair of them, couple of quid, mate.
I'll take these, mate.
You can take them.
There's no else going on.
That's it, wouldn't be Camelbacks, the decent bags, aren't they?
Yeah. It's all 5, so that's just check. That's 15 there, I think. 15.
Yeah. It's that nice one.
Cheers.
Thank you. Brings me a box out as well.
There you go. Filling up with someone else now.
That's it.
Cheers, mate. Slip and slide. Well, that's all she wrote. It took us an hour, maybe even less. It's like 7 o'clock. Got here at 6. It was quiet. There was a lot of empty spaces. Nobody knew he was turning up. It started to rain. Everything was against us. But I've still bought a bag and a half worth of stuff, which is a lot better than I would have done 6 months ago when I didn't really know what I was doing. I've spent £50 in total, I think almost exact. Now most of that is actually split between the bundle of rucksacks that I bought and the motorbike gear, which I have paid up on a lot of stuff, and that's mainly because there was just nothing to get. And that is a trap that you can fall into, where you want to get something, you don't want to leave a charity shop or a car boot with nothing, so you end up paying up for things that, you know, are just not worth it. But I did have a quick look through some of the backpacks online, and I know that one of the Camelback Lobo rucksacks, the smaller one, has recently sold for 25 quid. We've lost the light, so with any luck the bigger ones that I've got also might fetch a bit more money, so I think we're going to do okay on them. The motorbike gear looks to be about £30 each plus postage, so I'm turning, you know, 15 into potentially 60. It's not the end of the world. Like I said, £50 spent in total. I'm pretty happy with what we got, especially, you know, the conditions and how little cars there were there. It's not too bad. The only thing I bought that you didn't see was this old school internet phone by TV On. We have lost the light again. This is one of them things where you don't buy crap because you can't get out. I paid £1.50 for it, but it's brand new and sealed. So you never know, with this kind of old tech, sometimes you can get, you know, £5, £10, possibly 30, you never know. But with any luck, we can turn the £1.50 into £5 at a minimum. But yeah, it's just one of them stupid things that I spent money on. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm guessing it's going to be a quick one, but nevertheless, it is what it is. I hope you guys have had a good week. If you've managed to get to a car boot and the weather's been okay, I hope you picked up some cool stuff. This light is doing my head in. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.